that. Any further questions? And then we will begin chapter 2, okay? Okay?
मैम रिपीट वन टाइम
मुबारक
प्लीज.
मैम.
मैम मैम आपके
Yes.
स्किल्स आपने दिए हैं उसमें.
I
एक्सक्यूज
can.
मी मैम.
Yes.
मैम सब बोलते हैं मुझे रीड करना है, मुझे रीड करना है, तो सबको बोलो ना कि चैट बॉक्स में नाम डाले तो मैं आपको बताऊँ तो वो लोग रीड करें.
Okay, beta. ऐसा करना. What's your name?
कुलसुम अलवानी.
Yes, Alvani Kulsum. Have you heard the instructions? Those who want to read the textbook, please give your names in the chat box and Kulsum will tell the
मैम
names of who
the
should
key
read
has
the.
9 eyes.
Okay, let's begin the chapter. Let's complete it as fast as possible. Okay. And then if you have any doubts, please ask me at the end of the chapter. I think I have made it very clear what you are supposed to do today. I'm giving you 2 days, that is Thursday and Friday. Today is Thursday. Please complete your fair books till Saturday. Okay. I want chapter 1 completed.
ओके
Alright.
मैम.
Now let's begin
ओके
activity
मैम.
7. Activity 7. You have a look again at the table 1.5 and group the animals entered here as follows. Okay. Plants. Place animals which eat only plant or plant products in group 1. Okay, you have to list the animals which eat only plant and plant products. Can you name some?
मैम
Name
रिपीट.
some animals.
मैम
Name some animals which eat only plant.
मैम मैम काऊ गोट. मैम गोट. मैम गोट. गोट.
Yes. Cow.
then cow. goat.
Cow.
मैम मैम
मैम शीप.
sheep. Sheep, deer, elephant, rabbit, goat, cow,
Yeah,
horse.
sorry, but I did not hear
मैम
you.
दैट बफेलो आल्सो ईट.
Yes.
Horse,
Okay.
horse.
Yes. Okay. Name some
मैम दैट
animals which
डियर
eat
आल्सो ईट
only
ग्रास.
animals. Yes. Name some animals which eat only animals.
Lion.
Lion, crocodile,
Lion,
frog, snake,
tiger,
wolf.
Lion, tiger,
Lion,
cheetah,
crocodile,
crocodile.
frog, snake, wolf.
Frog, snake, and wolf.
That
Okay.
lizard,
Names. Okay.
snake.
Now name some animals which eat both plants and animals.
Chicken,
Ma'am,
eagle,
deer.
No,
human,
deer is
goat,
not. Humans, yes. Then
human, chicken,
Human, deer. Ma'am, deer.
deer is not the correct answer.
deer,
Crow,
Bear, yes.
crow.
Okay, bear. Crow,
mouse,
yes. Very good.
mouse,
Ma'am,
Very
man,
good.
mouse,
crow.
chicken,
Yes.
chicken.
Okay, that is it. So, animals which eat only plants or plant products are called herbivores. Okay, they eat only plant or plant products are called herbivores. Now, herb is a plant. Do you know that? Herbs, that is plants, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Chili
Yes, ma'am.
flakes, oregano, all those things comes from herbs. That's why we call the animals which eat only plants are called herbivores. Now the animals which eat other small animals is called carnivores. Okay. Animals which eat other small animals are called carnivores. And the animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Okay. You already
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
now.
Mubaraka, ma'am.
excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
मैम
can you rotate
इंग्लिश
your
टू
screen?
मीडियम में मैसेज डाला कि गर्ल्स प्लीज टेल योर
और मीडियम
टीचर
में
टू
message.
रोटेट योर फोन.
Beta, I
Yeah,
cannot
ma'am.
hear you if you all speak together. I cannot understand what I say.
एक्सक्यूज मी मुबारका मैम.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Teacher has written that tell to teacher to rotate her phone.
Okay, got it. Okay. So animals that eat both plants and animals are called herbivores. Sorry, omnivores. Okay. Now we know that there are many amongst us who do not get sufficient food. We know that poor children who are not as lucky as us, they do not get enough food, right? So we need to find more ways by which more food can be produced. So how can we produce more food? That will not be enough. We will need to find ways to ensure that this food is made easily available to each one of us. Only producing more food. Whose mic is unmute, beta?
Ma'am, your voice is coming slow.
Do you want to say something, Iman?
Mira
Uh,
Mayur.
Okay, that will not be enough. We will also need to find ways to ensure that the food is made easily available to each one of us. Okay, is that clear? I've already sent you a picture of keywords in the group. Please write the keywords in your fair book. First, you are supposed to write keywords. Then, you are supposed to start the exercise. You have to. I have already
मैम
sent you the
आपने
PDF. Please go in
एक्सरसाइज
order. Okay.
Ma'am,
मैम
जी.
ma'am, you had sent ICQ in the group.
मैम आपने कीवर्ड सेंड किए सिर्फ उसमें 4 कीवर्ड्स ही है फिर बाद में हम लोग को एक्सरसाइज लिखनी है कि क्वेश्चन आंसर
4 कीवर्ड्स नहीं है, उसके नीचे 3 और कीवर्ड्स है, वो ऑलरेडी समरी में है, हर्बीवोर, कार्निवोर और ओमनिवोर्स के. ठीक है.
So we don't have to write summary.
नो, यू डोंट हैव टू राइट समरी, you have to just write the keywords.
Ma'am, we have to
Okay,
write
ma'am.
this chapter number one full.
Then
Ma'am,
begin.
there are
See, I'm
seven
already.
keywords.
Yes, there are 7 keywords.
मैम
Ma'am,
यू साउंड उसमें
Okay, I'm
excuse me,
showing
ma'am,
you the
I have doubt.
PDF one more time. Yes.
Ma'am, we have to write this full chapter number one.
Yes. I'm showing you in the
Okay,
group.
ma'am.
Please, I'm showing you on the screen. Please see here and then ask the questions. I'm showing you everything on the screen. This
Okay,
is the
ma'am.
PDF I've already sent in the group. Question
यस
1, question 2, answer. Then this is, I think, filling the blanks. Okay. Keep your textbook with you. Keep the PDF of the textbook and this PDF, and keep looking in the textbook and write the answers. Okay. Now these are extra questions which are not there
मैम
in the textbook, but you are supposed to write this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम बट वी हैव टू राइट first keywords then exercise then we have to do question answer
Yes. Okay, you have to write this in order only. The PDF is in order only. You have to write it. Okay.
Ma'am, so first
Okay.
keyword then this.
मैम
Okay, ma'am.
फर्स्ट कीवर्ड लिखने का आपने जो ग्रुप में डाले थे वो अभी 8 वो फोटो 8 वो 8 टाइम को
हाँ.
फर्स्ट
वो
वो
keywords
फिर
है. You are supposed to
एक्सरसाइज
write that.
फिर एक्सरसाइज
हिंदी
फिर क्वेश्चन आंसर
हिंदी में बोलूं, आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है? हिंदी में बोलूं मैं? हिंदी में बोलूं एक बार?
यस
आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा
Yes,
है?
ma'am.
जो कीवर्ड्स का फोटो डाला है
यस
ना,
मैम
कीवर्ड्स का फोटो देखो. कीवर्ड्स कितने हैं इसमें? कितने कीवर्ड्स है इसमें? गिनो.
Seven.
सेवन
Seven.
Seven.
7
7. लास्ट 3 कीवर्ड्स है, उसके आंसर समरी में दिए हुए हैं. ओके. बाकी के 4 के मैंने ग्रुप में भेज दिए. ओके.
यस मैम
उसके
Okay,
बाद
ma'am.
एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट करनी है. एक्सरसाइजेस के आंसर भी पीडीएफ में है. ठीक है. फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स के आंसर्स भी पीडीएफ में है. देन यू हैव टू स्टार्ट द एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस, वो भी पीडीएफ में है.
मैम पीडीएफ में आंसर नहीं है
नीचे है।
एसी में है
Hmm.
समर
Okay, let's begin the chapter. Chapter 2 start करते हैं, ठीक है? Components of food. Now I will not repeat what you are supposed to do today. किसी को अगर नहीं समझ में आया है अपने क्लासमेट से पूछ लेना. Okay? Components of food. ठीक है? In chapter 1, we made list of the food items that we eat. We also identified food items eaten in different parts of India and marked this on its map. Chapter 1 में हमने क्या किया था? जो जो food हम खाते हैं, we have asked all the you have asked your classmates, right, that what will you eat today, and then we discussed the ingredients of the food, and then we got the information that where these food ingredients come from, whether they come from plants, whether they come from animals, or whether they come from somewhere else, right? So, a meal could consist of chapati. हमारे खाने में क्या क्या हो सकता है? It could be chapati, it could be dal, it could be a brinjal curry. Okay, another may be rice, sambar, and vegetable preparation of lady's finger. Yet another meal could be a fish curry and vegetables. What else a meal can have? First, a meal can be a chapati, dal, and brinjal curry. If someone doesn't want that, if they have rice in their meal, then they would have rice, sambar, and vegetable preparation of lady's finger. That is, lady's finger is bindi. Or someone else, if someone else is preparing their meal, that meal could be appam, fish curry, and vegetables. Okay. Now, our meals usually have at least one item made of some kind of grain. Okay. Some kind of grain is usually there in the item. If we are eating roti or chapati, what the grain would be roti or chapati किससे बनती है?
मैम
रोटी से वीट
Wheat.
दो
Wheat,
वीट से
yes.
बनती है
And if we are not preparing roti or chapati, we would prepare rice, right?
यस
या
मैम
Rice, rice big crop है.
या
Or
यस
if
मैं
not that, we would be preparing a dal. Okay. And what is the dal? Dal भी एक crop है. That is also a grain. Okay.
यस
It may it may also include items like curd, buttermilk, and pickles. Curd, buttermilk किससे बनता है? How is curd and buttermilk made?
फ्रॉम
मैम
काउ मिल्क
Yes, from
मैम फ्रॉम
milk.
द मिल्क ऑफ काउ।
फ्रॉम द
Yes,
काउ
and
मिल्क
what is pickles? And what is
पिकल्स मीन
pickles?
अचार
Yes. Okay. So, some examples of meals from different regions are given in table 2.1. Okay, some examples of our meals from different regions are given in table 2.1. Look, region or state. If the region or state is Punjab, the item of grain would be makki ki roti, corn, the roti made up of corn grain. Okay, or it would be the item of dal or meat would be rajma chawal, है ना? Kidney beans.
यस मैम
The vegetables would be sarso saag, that is mustard leaf curry. Okay, and others would be curd and ghee. Okay, if the item is being prepared in Andhra Pradesh, then the item of grain would be rice. Item of dal and meat would be tur dal and rasam. Rasam is charu. Okay, we don't know what is that. It may be the regional food. Then the vegetables would be kunduru dondakai. Okay, do you know what is that?
नो मैम
No, even I don't know. We'll search it on Google and we'll know that which vegetable is kunduru or dondakai. Okay. And others would be, it will be buttermilk, ghee, or pickle. Pickle is achar. They call it avakai. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. And let's name one region, that is Gujarat. If the region is Gujarat, what will be the item of grain?
No, what we
Huh?
ma'am in Gujarat like
Wha-
this.
What will, yes. If the region is Gujarat, what will be the item of grain? What do we eat in Gujarat?
Ma'am like jalebi, that what bhaji? Ma'am, can I say in Hindi?
Yes,
Bhaji की रोटी.
yes, yes. Very good.
जो जैसे वो ग्रीन
But
कलर का भरता होता है ना वो फिर वो
very
बाजरे
good.
के
Item
रोटी
of dal or huh? Very good.
फिर jalebi, pickle and brinjal sticky like then like gatia.
Very good. Okay, so you know the regional food of Gujarat, isn't it?
Ji.
Sometimes we may not really have all these variety in our meals. कभी कभी ये सारी वैरायटी हमारी मील में नहीं होती है. If we are traveling, we may eat whatever is available on the way. We do not carry our food in traveling. ऐसा नहीं होता कि हम जो खाते हैं वही खाएंगे traveling में. But whatever is available in the way, we will eat that. Okay, it may not be possible for some of us to eat such a variety of items most of the टाइम. कभी कभी तो ये सारी वैरायटी खाने भी नहीं हो मिलती है मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. सो देयर मस्ट बी सम रीजन why meals usually consist of such a distribution. Do you think that our body needs different kinds of food for some special purpose? तो क्या पूछ रहे हैं वो लोग, क्या कह रहे हैं कि हमारी मील में इतनी सारी वैरायटी होना ज़रूरी है. इफ़ वी कीप ईटिंग ओनली रोटी ओनली रोटी ओनली रोटी एवरी डे, then there will be deficiency of other things in our body, right? We need other nutrients also from vegetables and rice and other things. Do you agree or not?
Yes, ma'am. Agreed.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, सो व्हाट दे आर ट्राइंग टू से इज, अगर हम एक ही टाइप का फूड खाते रहेंगे तो हमारी बॉडी को वो सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स नहीं मिलेंगे, इसलिए हमको वैरायटी ऑफ फूड खाने की ज़रूरत है. ओके, व्हाट डू डिफरेंट फूड आइटम्स कंटेन? नाउ डिफरेंट फूड आइटम्स कंटेन, वी नो दैट each dish is usually made up of one or more ingredients. We know that each dish is made up of one or more ingredients. Even roti, if we are making roti, we need wheat flour, we need salt, we need water, and we also add some amount of oil. Okay, so that
Yes,
even
ma'am.
roti, the simplest thing in our food, also contains four ingredients. If you are making a curry, for example, if you are making a brinjal curry, okay, our curry will need brinjal, potato, tomato, then coriander, some spices, oil, ginger garlic, salt, isn't it? So how many things a single dish contains? How many ingredients it has in one single dish? Okay, we get all of these from either plants or animals. The ingredients contain some components that are needed by our body. These components are called nutrients. Okay, these ingredients contain some components that are needed by our body. Now, everything that we eat in our food, we add ingredients to it to make the dish, and these ingredients will contain some or other component that our body needs. Without it, our body would be weak. It will not be able to carry out specific functions. If you stop eating salt, will it be good for your body?
No, ma'am. It will be
No,
bad for
ma'am.
our body.
If
It
you
will
eat
bad.
If you eat more salt, will it be good for your body?
No, ma'am.
No,
If
ma'am.
you stop eating sugar, will that be good for your body?
Um,
If you
yes,
stop
ma'am.
eating, I'm not saying that you have to eat less. If you stop eating sugar completely, then also it is not good for your body. Your body needs some amount of sugar or glucose in your body to keep you fresh and healthy. But at the same time, if you are not keeping control on sugar, then also it is going to be unhealthy for you, isn't it? So, each and everything we eat in our diet is important for our body in some way or the other. Now, these ingredients are called nutrients because they are needed by our body. The ingredients have something or the other in it that is necessary for our body, it is very important for our body, and that is called nutrients. The major nutrients in our food are named carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Okay, what are the major nutrients in our food named? Yes, Muskan, please name
Yes,
the major
ma'am.
food nutrients.
Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals.
Very good.
And
Yes, Alina
ma'am, can
Kholia.
I marry?
Yes, Mehri.
Yes, ma'am. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals.
Yes, Alina Kholia.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
read
Yes, please
first.
name the major food nutrients.
Carbon dioxide, proteins, fats,
Carbohydrates, beta, carbohydrates.
carbohydrates, protein, fats,
You are not paying attention in the lecture, Alina. Vitamins and minerals.
Ma'am, can I
Okay?
say
Can I say
Madam,
carbohydrate?
ma'am, can Tahira?
Iman
Yes,
Fatima.
Zehra.
Yes, ma'am. New
Carbo,
carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, and minerals.
Okay, so these are the major.
carbohydrate, vitamins, fats, and minerals.
Okay, so these are the major food nutrients that our body needs. Okay, in addition, food contains dietary fibers and water which are needed by our body. Okay, we need carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, and vitamins. But besides that, we also need fiber. Now, what is fiber? Where do we get fiber from? If you are eating an orange, okay, then the thick particles without the juice are called fiber. If you are eating apple, you get fiber from that. Okay, and besides
Ma'am,
that, you also need water. Okay, do all food contain all of these nutrients? सारे food में ये सारे nutrients होते हैं? Is it possible that
No,
all
ma'am.
food contains all these
no,
nutrients?
ma'am. No,
No.
ma'am.
So, with some simple methods, we can test whether cooked food or and raw ingredient contains one or more of these nutrients. The test for presence of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats are simpler to do as compared to the test for nutrients. Let us do this test and record all our observations in table 2.2.
Ma'am, now
Okay?
can I read?
Yes, beta, I'll ask you to read. Let me just go through. Okay, beta? I'll ask you to read, okay? Okay. So, it is not possible that all the food will contain all of these nutrients. And now we have to check whether eating raw food contains more nutrients or the cooked food contains nutrients. Okay? So, it is easy to test the presence for carbohydrate, protein, and fat. Okay, and test for nutrients is a bit complicated, but we will go through that also. And what else? What things you will need to carry these tests? You will need solution of iodine. You will need copper sulfate. You will also need caustic soda. You will also need a few test tubes and a dropper. Okay. Now try these tests on cooked food items as well as raw materials. Table 2.2 shows you a way to record the observations from these tests. Some food items are given in this table. You can conduct the test either with these or any other available food items. Do these tests carefully and do not try to eat or taste any chemicals. What you have to do is you have to take all the necessary things for the test. You need solution for iodine, copper sulfate and caustic soda, and you have to do this test on the raw materials, raw food as well as on the cooked food. जो food cook नहीं हुआ होता है ना उसको raw कहते हैं. If the potato is not cooked, then it is called a raw potato. If anything else is not cooked, it is called raw. Okay, is it clear? If the
Yes,
required
ma'am.
solutions,
Now can I leave?
if the required solutions, now if the solution of iodine, copper sulfate or caustic soda is not available, then the teacher can prepare them as follows. Okay, let us begin the testing. Different food items to see if they contain carbohydrates. Now, if we want to know whether our food is containing carbohydrates or not, what we are supposed to do? Now, listen to me. There are many types
Your
of
voice is coming
carbohydrates.
very
Okay.
slow.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is it coming very
Ma'am, now
slowly?
it's properly, but
Ma'am,
yes, ma'am, now it's properly, but before 1 or 2 minutes, no,
Okay.
it was slowly, it was coming.
Okay, beta. Okay. Now there are many types of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates सिर्फ carbohydrate एक तरह के नहीं होते. There are many different types of carbohydrates, and the main carbohydrate found in our food are in the form of starch and sugar. Okay, there are many different types of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates found in our food जो हमारे food में है वो अभी हमारे लिए important है. So they are in the form of starch and sugar. Okay, we can easily test if a food item contains starch. We can test whether a food item is containing starch or not. Now how will we do that? Okay, first activity, first experiment for you, please pay attention. Okay, आगे का किसी को कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, please ask me if you have not understood it. We will begin the activity 2, that is test for starch, tomorrow because the time is already up and अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा तो I will not be able to explain you. So we will do that later, but अभी जो अभी करवाया वो किसी को समझ में नहीं आया है, please पूछ लो. Please ask me if anybody has not understood what I taught you right now.
ma'am,
We have not done anything, beta. We just did what our food items contain. Our food items contain carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and vitamins. Now, all the food will not contain all of these nutrients, right? At the same time, जैसे हमारे अंदर सारी क्वालिटी सारा टैलेंट नहीं होता वैसे फूड के अंदर भी सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स नहीं होंगे. Some food will have something else and the other will have some other things. Okay, so now if we want to test whether our food contains carbohydrates, we will carry out a test. Okay, and that test we are going to study on Saturday. Okay, because next lecture is on Saturday, that's why. Okay beta.
ma'am, but we
Ma'am,
have, मैम आपने जो
ma'am,
पीडीएफ सेंड की है उसमें नहीं है.
बेटा उसमें आंसर है, आप खोल के देखो. Muskan, who was saying this question?
Kulsum,
कौन
ma'am,
पूछ?
ma'am, Kulsum was asking.
बेटा मुस्कान आंसर्स है ना पीडीएफ में?
यस मैम, आंसर है. मैंने भी पीडीएफ खोली और देखा उसमें सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर भी है.
यस मैम।
Yes,
जो
ma'am.
पहले
I
क्वेश्चन
answered.
में उनका
Kulsum,
आंसर लिखे हुए हैं।
Kulsum, the
Ma'am,
PDF is
ma'am.
being presented. The PDF is being presented on the screen. अगर आपको आंसर्स नहीं दिख रहे हैं मुझे बताओ.
मैम आई
No,
विल सेंड टू
ma'am.
कुलसुम पीडीएफ। मैम उसमें
Answer is there on.
आई विल सेंड टू कुलसुम।
ओके ओके
ओके मैम।
Ma'am,
जी.
three answer, three cheese, three true or false have we and give the two example of each. वो तीन ही है.
मुस्कान बेटा उसको बता दो कि कहाँ कहाँ आंसर्स है. ठीक है
यस मैम, मैं उसको बता दूंगी।
जी. ओके
ओके मैम। मैम यू हैव एक्सप्लेन वेरी नाइस, सो नो डाउट।
ओके ओके.
यस
सो
मैम।
आई होप एनी
यस
Yes,
मैम।
ma'am.
किसी को चैप्टर रीड करते वक्त कोई डाउट्स हो तो आस्क मी इन द नेक्स्ट